Welcome to OneKey. In this video, we'll show you how to control your M18 Fuel 1/4-inch hex impact driver using the OneKey mobile app. To get started, ensure that your impact is within 30 to 50 feet of your mobile device and connected to an M18 battery. To connect, open your inventory dashboard and ensure you've added your OneKey enabled impact to your inventory. To learn more, you can watch that video here. Select the tool to be added and tap Connect to Tool. Tap Pair. From the Tool home screen, select Tool Controls. Your setups are optimized sets of controls that are specific to an application. Select the Custom Drive Control setup for fastening applications. You can adjust the RPM of your tool, torque level, trigger ramp-up speed, work light duration, and work light brightness from this screen. Now select the self-tapping screw setup. From here, you can enter in the steel gauge, screw length, screw diameter, and head type. OneKey will then optimize the tool performance based on these settings. The screw-in concrete anchor setup gives you the ability to set the anchor size, anchor length, and material type. Once you're satisfied with your changes, you're ready to save this configuration to your tool. 4 modes are available on the tool. Click Save. Select the desired mode or modes you wish to save to, and title your new profile. This allows you to select modes on the tool later without using your mobile device on the job. You have now successfully customized a OneKey-enabled tool. To learn more, visit milwaukeetool.com/OneKey.